In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your email address on Whatnot. So first of all, launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Make sure you logged into your account. So what you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for account, you'll be able to access the settings related with account. So what you have to do is find this option for change email and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected to the browser. So if you want to change your email address, you need to enter your current password. So tap on the field of current password. Now enter the whatnot password over here. Now once you enter your current password, you'll be able to enter the new email. Tap on the field of new email. Now enter the email address that you would like to use. Now tap on this option change email that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your phone number. What you have to do is simply enter that code over here. After you enter the verification code, tap on this option verify that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your email has been successfully changed. So like this you'll be able to change your email. So that is how you change email address on Whatnot. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.